NotebookLM for research. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search bar at the top of the window. Type NotebookLM in the search bar. Then press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. The search results will appear on the screen. Next, scroll down the results to find the official website of NotebookLM. After you find the official NotebookLM website, click the website link to open it. When the website page finishes loading, click Try NotebookLM to begin using the service. After that, click Create a Notebook to start a new notebook. Once the notebook page opens, you will need to enter the source that you want to search. You can enter different types of sources such as a website link, a video link, or a file. First, copy the source link that you want to search from its original location. After copying the source link, return to the NotebookLM page. Then paste the source link into the source input area provided on the page. Once the link has been pasted into the field, press Enter on your keyboard to submit the source. The system will process the source and prepare information from it. After the source is added, you can start exploring the information that is available. Next, you can explore information by clicking the questions that are provided on the screen. These questions help guide you to learn more about the content in the source. If you want to ask a different question that is not shown, move to the chat column on the page. Click the chat column to begin asking your own question. Then type the question you want to ask in the chat field to explore the information you need. After typing the question, press Enter on your keyboard to send the question. The system will then generate a response based on the source that you provided earlier. If you want to add another source for more information, look for the Add Source option on the page. Click Add Source to include another source in the notebook. After clicking it, enter the source you want to add by following the same steps as before. You can copy the new source link, paste it into the source field, and press Enter so the system can process the source and make it available for exploration inside your notebook.